How to disable software updates on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, go to General as shown. Go to Software Update. You can check for updates on this page. The screen will display the currently installed iOS version and whether an update is available. As you can see, your iOS is up to date. If an update is available, you can choose to download and install it immediately or schedule it for later. Then, go to Automatic Updates at the top. You can also choose to enable or disable the Automatic Updates feature from here. Now, turn off both the iOS Updates feature on this page. This means that iOS updates will neither automatically install or download on your phone. Following these steps, you can easily disable software updates on iPhone.